Hello and welcome to the Site Manager Design tutorial videos. Today we're going to take a look at the first option you see at the top here, color palettes and color schemes. If you want to change your color palette, the one that you install by setup or the one that's installed with your theme, if you start from a theme, you'll click this button, Edit Palette. If you want to override and pick one of our libraries, you can go back to this option that we showed you in the start and setup phase. You can override one easily, but this is an important button. Here you see two sets of colors. These are the 5 colors that every color palette has 5 colors, and these are the 5 you can change them here. And if you change them and re-update your designs, those colors will be in the site. So that's a very clean way of working with colors. These colors are also used in the CMS part of the site. So if the content user wants to use a color for his text or something, he can only choose the options that are available here. So you have more control than giving all the colors available to the content editor. So these are the primary colors for your design. And then we have a separate section, which is the content itself, because a lot of times these can deviate a lot from your colors palette. So here you still have the content background. Could be one of these, it doesn't matter. And here you have the default texts color, and then you have 3 variations for them. And here you have to type in the name of the color that's used for the CMS system. So we'll show you that later. How that works. Your palette also needs to have a scheme, and there are 2 schemes in the Site Manager platform. You have a light scheme and a dark scheme. Basically, it gives behavior to the first 5 colors or the colors you set in your palette. For example, if you have a button, what will be your button background? And what's the corresponding color that will be the text. This is especially useful for us to build themes, so we can use color behavior to make matching combinations so that the site will always have the right contrast between things. For example, we don't know here if this color and this color are compatible to be the background and the text. So you will put this color as the button background, and then you might pick color 5 as the text that goes with it. So that's the reason why color schemes exist. I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the next video, we're going to talk about the style.